Now we just went through the construction of the square and the equilateral triangle, but there is an easier way to construct regular polygons and just polygons generally. But let us look at the construction of regular polygons. We're going to use the Polygon tool. You have two choices there, the polygon and the regular polygon. You're going to select that, and I want to construct a square, so I select my first 2 points, and you notice regular polygon, it's asking me how many points. Well, 4 is already there, so I click on 4, and there I have my square. As usual, I can click on any of those lengths and I can select to show the values. You have to be careful when you're clicking here, because if you click on A, notice that show object goes away and the area along A becomes white. So we click back, it's all green, it says show object. I can choose my colors from here. I can choose the style, we'll have the style remain, and the decoration. I want to show that all 4 sides are of equal length. I can use decoration, and let's go back to color and change the colors of the sides and close that, and let's just adjust my drawing here, and there we have our square. And notice that only 2 points can be selected and dragged. That will change the dimensions of the square. Points C and D are dependent on what happens to A and B. So there we have our square that we easily constructed from our Polygon tool. Next, we are able to construct the equilateral triangle. So I construct again segment AB. It's asking me for the number of points, so I delete that. I click on 3, and here I have my equilateral triangle, and I can click on A1. I want to show the lengths of the sides, so again I go into value, value, and value. I close that, and there I have the lengths of the 3 sides, and I can measure the angles, and we all know that we'll get 60 degrees. And notice that I measure in a clockwise direction. And again, object properties, we try to change the style. Perhaps I can increase the thickness of each of these. I'm selecting 5. I can change the color. I might want it to be a little bit more outstanding, depending on what I want to do. And let's look at decoration. I can use 2 of these, and let us look at the lengths of the sides. Decoration, I can choose to show all three sides, although we already know that all three sides are equal. This is just for our working purposes, and there we have it. Oh, but we need to change, to take out that the labels. We just want value, 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 and there we have it. 60 degrees, and we can move the 60 degrees around, and we can make our equilateral triangle as large as we want to make it. Again, let's do insert text. Click anywhere, and I can now type area of ABC is equal to, and I click on Polygon, click on OK, and there I have that the area is showing. I can find the perimeter, so I type perimeter, and let's do Poly1, press the enter key, and it's showing here C as 20.66. I do my insert text again, and I type perimeter of ABC is equal to, and I click on C, click on OK, and there I have it. And once I select either point A or B, notice that the area and the perimeter obviously change once I'm changing the dimensions of the shape.